Hello guys, today we're gonna discuss all about spur gears under machine design 2. So, spur gears are the simplest type of gears with straight teeth parallel to the axis of rotations. Its advantages is it is simple to design and manufacture, it has high efficiency, and also capable of handling large loads. On the other hand, its disadvantages is it is noisy at high speeds and it is limited to parallel shaft applications. As for the applications of spur gears, number 1 is automotive transmissions, conveyor systems, clocks and watches, and also mechanical drives in industrial equipment. So, as for the parts of spur gears, or rather the elements, addendum, which has an symbol of A, is the radial distance between the pitch circle and the addendum circle. Also, the addendum is the radial distance from the pitch circle to the root circle. Clearance is the radial distance between the working depth circle and the root circle. Gears, the larger of the two meshing gears. Pinion, the smaller of the two meshing gears. So let us proceed to the spur gear formulas. First is the diametral pitch. It is the ratio of number of teeth per pitch diameter. The formula is PD is equals to T over D, wherein the T is the tooth thickness over and the D is the diameter. And it must be in English units. Next is the module. Module is the ratio of pitch number per number of teeth, which is M is equals to D over T is also equals to DG over TG is equals to DP over TP. Next is the circular pitch. Circular pitch is the circumference of the pitch circle divided by the number of teeth. So for the circular pitch, it will be called as PC equals pi times D over T, or also equals to pi over PD, also equals to pi times M, or pi times module. So for the circular pitch, also it can be solved by space width plus tooth thickness, or S plus T. And also note that if backlash is not given, PC is equals to 2T, wherein space width is equals to tooth thickness. So the backlash is the difference between space width and tooth thickness. The formula for backlash is B equals S minus T, or B equals PC minus 2T. So if the backlash is not given, B is equals to 0.035 over PD. Let's proceed to the depth, diameter, and center distance. Hole depth is the radial distance between the addendum and the addendum circle of a gear. The hole depth formula is W equals D plus A, wherein the D is the addendum and A is the addendum. Next is the working depth. It is the radial distance from the addendum circle to the clearance circle. The formula for working depth is WR is equals to W minus C, or also WR is equals to 2 times A. Next is the outside diameter. It is the diameter of the addendum circle. The formula for outside diameter is DO is equals to D plus 2A. And as for the root diameter, it is diameter of the gear measured at the base of the tooth. The formula of root diameter is DR is equals to D minus 2D. Next is the base circle. It is the circle from which the involute is generated. The formula is dB is equals to D cosine theta. Next is the center distance. For the external, C is equals to dg plus dp over 2. And as for the internal, C is equals to dg minus dp over 2. So, as you can see from the next slide, the ASA or AGMA recommended dimensions, here is the table that you can use for a specific angle or stub tooth. You can solve addendum, dedendum, clearance, working depth, and hole depth with different variations. Let's proceed to the forces on Sprague. The forces on Sprague, we have tangential, which is Ft is equals to Fr cosine theta. And next is the radial or separating. Fr is equals to Ft tan theta. Last is the resultant force. Fr is equals to square root of Fr squared plus square root of Ft squared plus Fr squared. So here's Ralph Ivan Melchor to show you how to solve a sample problems.
Number 1. A machine is made to 8 DP Sprague to be mounted on a center distance of 16 inches with speed ratio of 7 to 9. Find the number of teeth in each gear. So, simulan natin sa given. Meron tayong PD is equals to 8. Center distance is equals to 16 inch. Speed ratio 9 over 7. And find TG and TP. So, sa solution, makukuha natin yung TG and TP sa formula ng VR. So, VR is equals to T over D is equals to TG over DG is equals to TP all over TP. So, since wala tayong DG and DP, pwede natin gamitin muna yung formula ng center distance na D1 plus D2 all over 2. So, since D1 is equal sa T1 over PD and yung D2 is equal sa T2 over PD, pwede natin siyang equate sa T1 plus T2 all over 2 times PD. So, times both sides by 2PD. Makuha natin yung equation na T1 plus T2 is equals to C times 2PD. Now, substitute the value of C and PD. So, 16 times 2 times 8 is equals to T1 plus T2. So, T1 plus T2 is equals to 256. So, balikan natin yung formula ng VR. VR is equals to 9 over 7 is equals to TG all over TP. So, since dalawa yung dalawa yung hinahanap nating unknowns, equate natin yung TP sa TG. So, TG is equals to 9 over 7 TP. Yan. So, since meron na tayong 2 equations and 2 unknowns, pwede na natin i-merge yung dalawang equation. So, unahin natin yung T1 plus T2 or TP plus TG is equals to 256. And dalawa yung unknowns natin, so palitan natin yung TG ng TP para maging isa na lang yung unknown. So, ito yung magiging equation, TP plus, so, since TG is equals to 9 over 7, TP is equals to 256. So, para ma-add natin yung dalawa, gawin natin 7 over 7 since equal lang yan sa 1. 7 over 7 TP plus 9 over 7 TP is equals to 256. So 16 over 7 TP is equals to 256. And divide both sides by 16 over 7. So yung TP natin is equals to 112. So since meron na tayong TP, balik tayo sa formula na VR is equals to TG over TP. So TG is equals to VR times TP. So yung VR natin is 9 over 7 times yung nakuha nating TP na 112. So yung TG natin is 144. The answer is letter B. Number 2. Find the tooth thickness on a tooth circle of 20-degree full depth involute tooth having a circular pitch of 1.25 inch and hole depth of 0.75 inch. List muna natin ulit yung given na 20-degree, circular pitch na 1.25 inch, and hole depth of 0.75 inch. Hinahanap yung tooth thickness. So, pwede natin gamiting formula. Yung circular pitch is equals to space width plus tooth thickness. And since walang backlash na sinabi, so space width is equals to tooth thickness lang din. So pwede natin siyang gawing PC is equals to T plus T, or PC is equals to 2T. Now, divide both sides by 2. So, magiging T is equals to PC over 2. Now, substitute the values. 1.25 inch na PC over 2. So, to convert inch to millimeter, 1 inch is equals to 25.4 millimeter. So, times lang natin sa 25.4. So, yung makukuha is 15.875 mm or almost equal to 16 mm. D. So, determine the thickness of a 14.5 spurger with a diametral pitch of 5. So, given is yung 14.5 degrees spurger and diametral pitch of 5. Since tooth thickness yung hinahanap and meron tayong given na diametral pitch na 5, pwede natin gamitin formula is yung circular pitch is equals to space width plus tooth thickness. So, since walang backlash na sinabi, pwede natin sabihin na space width is equals to tooth thickness, or PC is equals to T plus T, or PC is equals to 2T. Now, solve for PC. Since dalawa yung unknown value natin, solve muna natin yung PC para makuha yung tooth thickness. So, the formula for PC is pi over PD. So, equals to pi over 5 inch, which is equal to 0.6283 inch. Now, balik tayo sa formula na PC is equals to 2T. So, we can divide both sides by 2. So, yung magiging equation natin is T is equals to PC over 2. Now, substitute natin yung value ng PC, which is 0.6283 inch over 2. So, this is equals to tooth thickness is equals to 3142 inch, or letter B. The diametral pitch of a spurger with 38 teeth and 10 inches outside diameter. So, the given are number of teeth na 38, outside diameter na 10, and find diametral pitch. So, yung formula natin sa diametral pitch is equal to teeth over dp. So since dalawa yung unknown values natin, we should solve first for dp or pitch diameter. So the formula for pitch diameter is equals to do minus 2a. So yung a is the addendum, which is equal to 1 over PD. And we all know that PD is equal to T over dP, resulting in this equation. So we can simplify the former equation into this one. dP is equal to do minus 2 times dP over T. Plus add both sides by 2 times dP over T, resulting in this equation do is equal to dP plus 2 times dP over T. Now we can factor out dP. So yung magiging equation natin ay dP times 1 plus 2T is equals to do. So divide both sides by 1 plus 2T. May equate na natin siya sa dP. So dP is equals to do over 1 plus 2T. So substitute lang natin yung values ng do and T. So 10 inch over 1 plus 2 all over 38. So yung dP natin is equals to 9.5. So since meron na tayong dP, balikan natin yung formula na PD is equals to number of teeth over pitch diameter. So makukuha na natin yung PD by substituting the obtained values of dP. So number of teeth is equals to 38 divided by 9.5 inch is equal to 4 inch. Letter C.